highlights for today exam was, if you were expecting questions from mineralogy, okay, petrology, as there was one question from the UTech Tech, you have to tell the whether there was binary diagram was given for isobaric, okay, so A was given here. So at the UTech Tech point 42 was written, so initially it was 20, so we have to just minus and give the answer for this. And out of like leaving this question, there was no mineralogy question, no petrology question, there was no sedimentology question. So अगर आप ऐसा पढ़ के गए थे ना कि यार मैं मिनरोलॉजी पढ़ के चला जाता हूँ, सेडिमेंटोलॉजी पढ़ के चला जाता हूँ, तो ऐसे बात नहीं बनने वाली थी. तो पेपर वॉज फुल ऑफ ओशियनोग्राफी, जियोफिजिक्स, climatology. So this time they have basically focused on their tradition which they are following from many years. तो बीच में क्या था कि थोड़ा ऐसा हो गया था कि मिनरोलॉजी पेट्रोलॉजी वो थोड़ा बल्क में डालने लगे थे, क्लाइमेटोलॉजी थोड़ा कम कर दिया था, ओशियानो थोड़ा कम कर दिया था. बट इस बार उन्होंने ओशियनोग्राफी बहुत अच्छे से डाली थी. पार्ट सी वॉज फुल ऑफ ओशियनोग्राफी एंड क्लाइमेटोलॉजी. ओके, सो जिसने क्लाइमेटोलॉजी करी थी, ओशियनोग्राफी करी थी, उसको फायदा होगा इसमें. Hello to all, welcome back to my channel. This is Sangeeta and today I will tell you the analysis for CSI NET 2021 June session NET exam. Okay. So it was written June 2021 in the examination, and before discussing the paper, let me tell you about the pattern of this exam. So part A consists of 20 questions, part B of 50 questions, and part C consists of 80 questions. And out of 20 we have to attempt 15 in the A part. Out of 50 we have to attempt 35 in the B part, and out of 80 we have to attempt 25. Okay. So let us discuss the paper now. So first question was the anoxic environment, that which fixation belongs to anoxic environment condition, whether it is nitrogen fixation, whether it is ammonium oxide. Okay. And one diagram was given. So we have to tell whether this one is cumulus, altocumulus or stratocumulus. Okay, so one cloud was like this, then it was bit dispersed, and with increasing height it was totally dispersed. Okay. Next question was from Köppen classification, which is their tradition that they will definitely ask one question from the Köppen classification from the ocean currents, and this time they asked that few climates were given, whether it is cold, warm, so we have to match their symbols, Köppen symbols. Next question was from the proxy, that temperature, salinity, atmospheric composition was given, which is CO2, NO2, and O18 was given. Like this we have to match. Okay, so temperature proxy is which one, which can tell the paleo temperature, so this was given. Next question was from the paleo and foraminifera, ostracoid, pteropods were given, and we have to match with their affinity, that they belong to crustacean, gastropod, and whether they are algae or not, so we have to match them. Next question was from the isostasis, so one numerical was asked again as per their tradition. So these questions are very, that they repeat these type of questions every year. So next was from equal spacing. So four options were given, that there was equal spacing and with increasing depth, which will be more accurate, like whether it is Venner, whether it is axial dipole, whether it is pole-pole. Next landform was given, which is mud drape, and we have to match whether it belonged to the Aeolian, glacial, fluvial. Next was arid and horn was given. So it was a very cute diagram was given for the glacier one. So I have told you many times that glacial landform is very important. Every time in geology exam they are going to ask at least one question from the glacial landform. Okay. And the diagram was given, which I have solved in my previous videos, whether it is for geoscientists, whether it is for CSI NET. So those who have watched those videos they definitely must have got benefited. So I will recommend you to watch them also. Next question was from the ocean currents. So three currents were given, which is Agulhas current, Kuroshio current, and we have to match that which one is cold, which one is hot current. Okay. Next question was El Nino and La Nina statements were given. So first statement was whether El Nino in its off Peru side, so whether upwelling is there or not. Second statement was that strong winds are there in La Nina or not. So we have to say whether it is correct or wrong. Next was at 4500 depth, which fossil we will find. Okay, so 3 or 4 fossils were given. So foraminifer was there, Noticulina was there. So we have to match that with increasing depth up to 4500 depth. You will find which fossil. Okay. Next one, variation diagram was given, which is again asked every time. If first was straight, then it was curved like this. So you have to match with the given options, which was oxygen, chlorine, I think mostly. Next was geobarometer was given, in which there was one reaction written in 3 plagioclase. It will convert to with something. It will react to form grossular. Okay. So you have to write its activity coefficient, which is K. So it is Garnet over plagioclase 3. Okay, 3 was written before it, so just like that. Next question was that Mariana Trench depth. So it will called as mesopelagic or abyssipelagic. So we have to match like this. One question was from environmental instability. Okay. So you have to tell that whether both cold and warm current they are they are stable or they are unstable. So these options were given. One question was from the that geoid, it is low in which ocean? So whether it is Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean. Okay, so these options were given. And other questions were that which planet has its maximum rotation on its axis. And next one is that neap tide, it will result that neap tide will form by which thing, like whether it's formed by the full moon, crescent moon. Okay. And tsunami, one question from tsunami was there. Wave refraction term was given. Okay. And ocean there was one statement that whether ocean currents and surface current they flow opposite or in the same manner. Infrared, if you do a survey in these like for the depth in the ocean, so which factor you can neglect. So one incorrect statement was given. So whether you can neglect the cloud effect or the surface emissivity. So these options were there. And one question was that in the coastal side erosion, okay, which occurs mostly on the, like this is a coast of a beach, okay. And if erosion is occurring over here, so which was the factor? Whether it is longshore current, whether it is due to high tide, or whether it is due to wave reflection. Okay, so these options were given over there. And so first question was that the height of boys is 160 centimeter and height of girl is 150 centimeter and the average height of the whole class is 160 centimeter. So we have to tell the ratio of boys versus girls, whether it is 1:2, okay, 1.66 to 1.6. So we have to tell like this. And another was the ton versus crop bar graph was given for A, B, C, D. Okay. So we have to tell which graph has the major production difference. And next question was for the Venn diagram. It was vegetable, root, fruit was given. So different Venn diagrams were given. So we have to match which one is correct. And next was for the area of cylinder, area of circle. And next is graph was given for the run and over. It was T20 match and we have to see which graph is correct, whether this one is correct. So it was varying with the run and overs. Okay. And next is a table was given for rice, wheat and its price was written, and it was given that if we have 2500 in hand, then how much extra rice we can buy with this amount. Okay. And next question was that if there is an ATM pin whose, if we write it from left to right and right to left, so it will be same. So how many possible numbers are there for this? And next question was from the Amar Akbar Anthony. Okay, so there was 60 student class. Okay, so Akbar rank was double of Amar and Anthony was of 7x of Amar. So we have to tell the sum of these three, Amar, Akbar and Anthony. Okay, so this was all about the today analysis. I remember this much questions only. If you have if you remember more, you can write down in the comment box, and you will definitely get when CSIR will upload the question paper, है ना, तो वो तो मिल ही जाएगा, उसमें कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. So थैंक यू सो मच, एंड वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो डू लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय बाय.